So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change menu font size on Shopify. So the first thing you want to do, you can see on the left your home, orders, products and stuff like that set up. You can also see the settings underneath, but you should go to online store, click on themes, and you can see the customize button right here. So if you click on customize, it will take you to a page that looks something like this. So you can really customize your store through there. You can go to your sections so you can see the sections on here and maybe set up the fonts individually for each section. So you can see there's some options, but if you wish to do it on through the theme settings, you'll see logo, colors, typography, layout, animations, and many more options underneath. So go to typography. So it may not connect to you immediately that that's the font size, but typography is the menu you're looking for. So you can see here headings, and you can see font, and you can see the scale button as well. So if you scale it a bit more, so I just, for instance, set up 125%, you can see it's a bit bigger. If I reduce it to 100, it's going to be reduced. As you can see, the changes are happening in real time. So you can change it through the percentage. You can even type it in, and you can see the changes will be applied. You just need to wait for this to load, since they need some time to give you a preview of what those changes will look like. So just go to your theme settings once you get the theme, and go to typography after that to find the percentages. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.